This is a structure of a heart showing four chambers of the heart, namely two thin walled atria and two thick walled ventricles. We will see them now. This is right atrium and this is left atrium. This is left ventricle, and what you have seen was now this structure, what you are seeing, this part of heart is called as right atrium. On opposite side of it, it's called as left atrium. Down towards left atrium, the structure or the chamber is called as left ventricle, and the right ventricle. All these four chambers do different functions. We'll see them now. Ventricles are thick in structure and atria are thin. You'll see an animation now. The deoxygenated blood is coming from the top of the heart, from head, neck, upper extremities, by a vein called as superior vena cava, and from legs, abdomen and other parts of body, lower part of body, deoxygenated blood will come to right atrium. That structure which carries blood, deoxygenated blood from lower parts of body, is called as inferior vena cava. You can see the blood coming in to the right atrium. This structure is superior vena cava, which brings blood from upper part of body. This is inferior vena cava, which brings blood from the lower part of the body. The opening through which blood comes into the right atrium is called as coronary sinus, and then blood will be pumped into the right ventricle through a structure called as valves. We say tricuspid valves. Tricuspid valves means there are three shutters or cusps for this particular valve. It is a small structure between right atrium and right ventricle, where the blood is passed from right atrium into the right ventricle. And one more function of this is it will prevent blood going back into the right atrium. So the blood from right ventricle will be again pumped into a vein called as pulmonary trunk, and this pulmonary trunk will again divide into left and right pulmonary trunk, which this blood goes towards lungs for gas exchange, where from lungs oxygenated blood will be carried back towards heart from the structure called as pulmonary veins into left atrium. This structure what I am showing now, and again left atrium contracts through another structure called as valve or mitral valve into the left ventricle, and left ventricle blood is pumped into a large artery called as aorta, and from that throughout the body blood is getting transmitted. So this is in short about how the heart functions.